Show that AB vector equals CD vector if the coordinates of the point A, B, C and D are given to us. Okay, let us begin. So here we'll start with the first point. We have the point A with coordinates 0, 1. Now we're also going to consider some origin. This is going to be the origin of a coordinate system with respect to which we are measuring A, B, C and D. So let O be the origin. Now with respect to this origin, we can define the position vector of point A. The position vector of point A is going to be defined as OA vector. So this is given by what we'll do. The origin has the coordinates 0, 0. So what we'll do, we'll take the difference of the x coordinates. So that's 0 minus 0 multiply with I cap. This is going to refer, the I cap tells us that this difference is along the x coordinate. Add to difference of the y coordinate, so that's 1 minus 0 times j cap, indicating that it's along y direction. So OA vector comes out to be j cap. Next, we will define the position vector of the other point B. So B, this is going to be OB vector. So this can be now expressed as I cap plus 0 j cap, or simply I cap. Next we have the position vector of the point C. Position vector of the point C, which is OC vector. This is going to be given by I cap plus 2 times j cap. And position vector of the point D is going to be given by OD vector. This is going to be equals to 2I cap plus j cap. Now that we have the position vector of each of the 4 points A, B, C and D, let's try to find out the value of the vector AB. So AB vector in terms of the position vector is simply OB vector minus OA vector. Let's use the value. Now what is OB vector? OB vector, that's I cap minus OA vector, so that's j cap. Now we will find out the value of CD vector. So CD vector in terms of the position vector is OD vector minus OC vector. The OD vector, that's 2I cap plus j cap, and from here we're subtracting OC vector, so that's I cap plus 2j cap. That's going to give us I cap minus j cap. As we can see that AB vector and CD vector exactly the same. This means that AB vector is going to be equals to the vector CD, hence proof.